guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mehek and today we are making the Christmas cookies. So let's dive into it. Now, as you all know, Christmas is around the corner and I wanted to make some special cookies. So here we are making them, and I've got a lot of really cool cookie cutters. So we'll be cutting them into different shapes and let's see how it comes out to be. So we've got two scents with us. We've got the hazelnut one and vanilla, and I wanted to try something new. So we'll be going with the hazelnut essence today. First, in a big bowl, we will be taking 1 cup butter. And second row. Now we'll be taking 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. Now we will whisk this together, so let's go. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of milk because we are not adding egg to this. Also, because this mixture is dry, so to improve the consistency, it's very important to add milk. We'll be adding 1 tablespoon of hazelnut essence into it. There you go. Now we'll be mixing the dry ingredients in another bowl that we have right here. Now we'll be taking 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Two, and 3. We'll be taking the baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Now we'll be adding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So here my sister, she has taken over both of these ingredients and she wanted to mix it. And here we go. We will be making the dough out of this batter. Okay. So we will not be needing too much, and between the shots when I was kneading the dough, I added a tad bit of milk, around 2 teaspoons more, because it was all fell over. So that's why. So the dough is done, and now we will be keeping this dough in the refrigerator. For how long? 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now we have the dough with us and we are going to roll it out with the help of 2 parchment sheets. We'll take the dough, we'll divide it into 2 parts and then we'll roll it out. Here is the dough. And now we'll cut it into cute little Christmas shapes. So now we are eyeballing these cookies, as in we are seeing and we are checking at what temperature and what time will it bake. So we'll be observing and then I'll give you a fixed and rigid time for it. So now as the first batch is ready, we're letting it cool down a bit. Till then we're making the icing. And for icing we'll be taking 2 cups of powdered sugar. And half teaspoon we will be taking hazelnut extract. Few spoons of milk depending upon how consistent I want it. And now we will whisk it all together. So the icing is ready and we will be putting them into these small containers. Why? Because we are making colorful icing. We'll be adding red liquid color, also green liquid color, because it's all about Christmas. So yes, and we also have some really cool sparkles to add on the cookies that we'll do later on. But yes, let's start by dividing it. So guys, I am going to make all of these and I'll share the clips with you at the last. If you like the video, do like, comment and share, and do tell me if you like the recipe as well. Till then, cheers and a very Merry Christmas.